Hello, dear students of class first. Welcome back to our next online class of English 1. Today we will be doing change the numbers and change the genders. As this topic is not in our book, so we have to watch and listen the video again and again to understand the concept of numbers and genders. Words that means one of something are singular nouns. Words that means one of something are singular nouns, and word that means more than one of something are plural nouns. For example, dish, dishes, dish, dishes, doll, dolls. Students, nouns can be singular and plural. A noun can mean one or more than one person, animal, place, or thing. When we talk of one, we call it singular. To show that there are more than one things, we often add s or es to the noun. To show that there are more than one things, we often add s or es. We add s to the words like bell, chair, book, and tree. We add s to words like bell, chair, book, and tree. We add es to some naming words. How to form plurals? Most noun form by adding s in the ends. Nouns that end in ch, sh, s, hot double s, or x are formed by adding es to the singular. Children, noun that end in vowel plus y are formed by adding s to the singular. Noun that end in vowel means b-o. O is a vowel plus y are formed by adding s to the singular. Look at the examples on the screen. Pencil, pencils, s is there. Boy, boys, s is there. Next picture is of bus, B-U-S, bus. And on the other side, there are 4 buses. So we will write there B-U-S-E-S, buses. Bus, B-U-S, bus. Buses, B-U-S-E-S. E-S has been added. Next is glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. On the other side, it is glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Then we have a picture of flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. On the other side, it is F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Next picture is of leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. On the other side, it is L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaf, leaves. Now, children, we will do some more examples in our English 1 notebook, as it is very important. Questions are there in the unit test also. Balloon, balloons, B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S, balloons. Face, faces, F-A-C-E-S, faces. Lamp, lamps, L-A-M-P, lamps. Shoe, shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Fox, foxes, F-O-X-E-S. Box, boxes, B-O-X-E-S. Class, classes, C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Horse, horses, H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. Toy, toys, Toys. Book, books, Books. Books. Balloons, faces, lamps, shoes, foxes, boxes, classes, horses, toys, books. Next is orange, oranges. Church, churches. Girl, girls. Bush, bushes. Dish, dishes. Bus, buses. Cake, cakes. Door, doors. Egg, eggs. Potato, potatoes. Orange, oranges. 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 Church, churches. Churches. Girl, girls. Girls. Bush, bushes. Bushes. Dish, dishes. Dishes. Bus, buses. Buses. Cake, cakes. Cakes. Door, doors. Doors. Egg, eggs. Eggs. Potato, potatoes. 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 Next is chair, chairs. Chairs. Key, keys. Keys. Tray, trays. Trays. Turkey, turkeys. Turkeys. Proof, proofs. Proofs. Scarf, scarves. Scarfs. Photo, photos. Photos. Roof, roofs. Roofs. Piano, pianos. Pianos. Gulf, gulfs. 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 Chairs, keys, trays, turkeys, proofs, scarves, photos, roofs, pianos, gulfs. Children, on the next page is your homework. It is your homework. We have already done 30 words. Now you have to do it yourself and try to understand and do your work. Topic: change the gender of noun. All living things are either male or female. A noun that is a name of any male person or animal is said to be of masculine gender. A noun that is name of any male person means boy, papa, uncle, or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, man, father, horse, dog. A noun that is the name of any female person or animal is said to be of feminine gender. For example, Rita, girl, woman, mother, bitch. A noun that is a name of a lifeless object, non-living thing, is said to be of neuter gender. A noun that is the name of a lifeless object or non-living thing is said to be of neuter gender. For example, pencil, paper, blackboard, chair, book, etc. Those which are non-living things are neuter gender. A noun that is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female is said to be a common gender. A noun that is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female is said to be of common gender. Example, parents. Parents, both mother or father can be. Sibling, brother or sister can be. Baby, Boy or girl can be teacher, ma'am or sir. So students, there are 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. Students, always remember, he is used for one male human. One male human. She is used for one female human. They is used for more than one male or female humans. Students, we are going to do one exercise. This exercise or this lesson is not in your books, but it is very important for your knowledge. So do it in your English 1 notebooks. No need to draw the pictures. Just write actor, actress. Actor, actress. 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 Boy, girl. 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 Bridegroom, bride. BRIDE. Brother, sister. 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 Father, mother. 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 Headmaster and headmistress. HEAD. Head. MISTRESS. Headmistress. Man, woman. WOMAN. Monk, nun. NUN. Nephew, niece. NIECE. Son, daughter. DAUGHTER. Uncle, aunt. 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 Waiter, waitress. 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 Just do the exercise in your English 1 notebooks. Don't draw the pictures. Again, I am saying you don't draw the pictures. Children, few more examples are there. Read it and learn it and note down in your English 1 notebooks. Students, I hope you have understood the concept of the gender, and this exercise is for the practice. Do it at home. Change the gender of nouns. Change the gender of nouns. First one is boy. You know, for boy, girl. Second is dog. Third is uncle. Fourth is man. 5 is lion. Number 6, son. SON, son. 7 is cock. 8, sir. 9, actor. 10, bridegroom. 11, king. 12, brother. 13, gentleman. Gentleman. 14, husband. 15, father. So students, this is very easy exercise. I hope you will enjoy doing it. Students, I hope the concept of change the number and change the gender is clear to you. Do lot of practice as this topic is not in our books. So try to understand the concept from our daily routine examples. Thank you, students. Work hard. Take care.